Hi, first graders. This video is going to help you with week 6, lesson 1. In this lesson, today we will add and subtract within 20 using drawings and equations in order to solve for the unknown number in the problem. You probably have used drawings before to show addition and subtraction. Your drawings can help you write equations to match. My drawing here shows 2 plus 3 equals 5. And this is my equation. The problems that we're going to be solving today have an unknown number in the problem. We might see some where one of our addends is unknown. We're also going to see some problems using subtraction where we don't know the total, but we know the other two parts. We might also see some problems today using subtraction where we do know the total, and then the unknown is the part that we're taking away, and we know what's left. We're going to be using our drawings and related facts to help us solve for that unknown in our problem. What addition equation could you write for the picture below? Think about it. You might have said 5 plus 2 equals 7. Did anyone come up with a different way? You could also think about it as 2 plus 5 equals 7. What are some subtraction equations that you could write to match up with the picture? Tell somebody in your house a subtraction equation that you could write. You might have said 7 take away 2 blue counters equals 5. Did anyone come up with another way? The other way to think about it could be 7 take away the 5 red counters equals the 2 blue counters. So there are a few correct answers to this problem. We are going to take a look at the relationship between addition and subtraction. What we see here is 5 red counters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We also see 3 blue counters, 1, 2, 3. If we are trying to find out how many counters there are in all, we want to count the two groups together using addition. 5 red counters plus 3 blue counters equals 8 counters in all. We could also use this picture to help us with subtraction. In that case, we would be thinking about it like this. There are 8 total counters. I'm going to take away 3 of them. Take away the 3 blue counters. One, 2, 3. And then that would leave me with the 5 red counters. So you might notice that the two number sentences are related. They're using the same numbers. We're just using a different operation each time. With addition, we're counting the two small groups and putting them together to find the total. With subtraction, we're thinking about the total number. We're taking away one part, which would leave us with the other part. We can use related facts as well as our pictures to help us solve for the unknown in different parts of our equation. Here's an example. We're trying to figure out something minus 4 equals 6. I know from my picture here that the 4 represents my blue counters. After I take those 4 away, I would be left with 6 red counters. If I wasn't sure what my total counters were, I could just think about it like this. I know that 6 red counters plus the 4 blue counters equals 10. So for my subtraction sentence, that must mean that I started with 10 counters in all. When I took away 4, that left me with 6 counters. You can try some more of these problems in the Try It section of your packet. You may find the online apps from Math Learning Center to be helpful in trying these problems on your own. If you would like to use the Number Frames app and you have a computer at your house, go to mathlearningcenter.org. Then click on Resources and Math Apps. You may find the online apps from Math Learning Center to be helpful in trying these problems on your own. If you would like to use the Number Frames app and you have a computer at your house, go to mathlearningcenter.org. Then click on Resources and Math Apps. Let's take a look at some of those problems. You can use the Number Frames app on the Math Learning Center website, or you can use related facts to help you complete these examples in your packet. What did you think about this one? 8 take away something equals 3. I could draw a picture to help me or use the Number Frames app. I'll draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm not sure how many I'm taking away, but I know that when I'm done, I will have 3 left right here. So if this is the 3 that are left, that must mean that we took away this many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 take away 5 would equal 3. We could also think about it with addition. If I wasn't sure that 8 take away 5 was 3, I could just think about starting with my 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus something equals 8. So I could count from 5 until 8 to see what we added. 6, 7, 8. And we were able to add 3 plus 5 equals 8. Keep trying with these other problems in your packet. After you've done a few more practice problems, make sure you complete Hungry Shark subtraction in your packet. Don't forget to hold on to this work and keep it so that you can turn it into your teacher at another time.